going on YouTube? I got something futuristic slash kind of techie for you guys. This is the Converse All-Star Disrupt CX. This is the black, white with wild mango colorway. Interesting little name there. These retail for $120, which is the price that I got them for on Converse.com. So let's get into it. The box is just a plain black box with some glossy lettering at the top. And on the front side that just says Converse, so nothing too special. Let's get her open. And there it is, the Disrupt CX. It's got that crazy shape to it. And here's that wild mango. Anyways, let's get them both out here. So quick little background, the Disrupt CX is supposed to be an innovative redesign of the Chuck Taylor. The CX in the name is supposed to be the new CX foam that they used. And the Disrupt in the name, I'm assuming, is probably because the design is supposed to be disruptive, which it definitely is. This is something that we've never really seen from Converse before. Moving on to the materials, the upper that it's made out of, according to Converse, is a quote special dynamic stretch canvas, while the outsole is made out of everyone's favorite material, rubber. Onto the features, like I said, the upper is made out of a stretch canvas, and it's got some good stretch to it. The toe cap is made out of like a laminated rubber. It's got more give to it than the toe cap on a regular Converse. And that same material is also used up here by the lace holes and the lace holder on the tongue. It also has a patch of that material on the breathability holes on the side of the shoe. And it also uses that same material on the Converse star patch, and lastly on the pull tab at the back. Another interesting note on the toe cap is that it has the rubber toe cap as well as a canvas toe cap. Nice little double chin there. Moving up to the lacing, it's got no metal eyelets except for the top two holes on both sides. It does have metal aglets, which is a really nice premium feature. I always love it when shoes have that. Like I mentioned, the shoe does have a pull tab, which is CX branding, so nice little detail there. That combined with the stretchy canvas is gonna make this shoe super easy to put on. On to the most notable feature of the shoe, the exposed protruding fiery mango CX foam at the back. Reminds me a bit of the Sakai's. It's got that same protrusion. The CX foam is quite firm, but definitely responsive. And it's got a netting pattern to it with the Converse branding as well. Moving on to the inside, it's got this crazy kind of trapezoid-like cutout. And through the cutout, we can see that the midsole is that same crazy mango foam. It also exposes the hard plastic support that is also Converse branded. On the other side of the shoe, it also has a cutout, but it's more of a kind of an indentation. And the rubber on the side of that indentation is also taller than the rubber on the rest of the shoe, which I thought was a pretty neat detail. Overall, the rubber on the side of the shoe is very simple compared to a traditional Converse, which I really like. At the bottom of the shoe, we got quite a bit going on. At the heel, we got some grippy square pattern to it. And towards the top, we got more of that classic Converse pattern. It's got kind of that diamond shape to it. And then the grippy square pattern again at the toe. Lastly, the shoe does feature a removable insole, which is very responsive and feels almost gel-like. It also has that same fiery mango color. Not sure if this is also CX foam, because this is a lot squishier than the outsole protrusion. It does have the CX branding on it, so I'm not really sure. Anyways, overall, I really like this shoe. It's very simple, but it also feels like there's a lot going on at the same time. It looks very futuristic, maybe tech wear. Yes, no, let me know in the comments. Anyways, like I said, I really like the styling of the shoe. I know online I saw that some people thought this shoe was really ugly, and other people just, absolutely love the design. I feel like it's one of those shoes that you either love or hate. It's definitely not for everyone. But regardless, that's pretty much everything that you need to know about the shoe. Let's go get these on feet. When I first put these on, they felt a bit tight at the toe, but after breaking them in for a few hours, that feeling went away. These are Converse, so of course they're not going to fit true to size. The website recommended going a half size down, and that worked out for me. Like I predicted, these were super easy to put on. The pull tab with the stretch upper was perfect, and these were definitely comfortable, especially when compared to a regular Converse. The foam combined with its insole gave it a springy feeling, which was really nice on feet. The stretch foam also did its job. It provided really good ankle support while allowing freedom and flexibility to move. Overall, just a really unique and comfortable Converse. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.